Hi ladies, Christine Tony here, and it is game day, go Mountaineers. And I just wanted to share with you a quick, easy twist that I've been doing. I think it's one of my new favorite hairstyles that I've done. And it can be done with Flexi, the Lilla Rose Flexi, or the Flexi 8s. And I'm going to show it to you with both. And you'll notice my hair is pretty wet. I just took it out of the towel, so it's pretty damp, because I get better results, can kind of put the curls where I want them when it's slightly damp, but it pretty much stays all day. But I will first show you with the Flexi. Now I'm going to start out doing it with the Posy. This is our new Flexi of the month. It is gorgeous. This is a rose gold Flexi, and you can see the detail and the etching. So pretty. So it's a simple style, but beautiful. But I'm going to turn around and I will show you how we do this. It's just a simple loop. You're going to pull up your hair almost in like a ponytail, pull it up, twist it, just almost like a half turn, then just secure it around almost like you would a French twist. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so you're going to bring your hair into a ponytail. Make sure your tops and bumps are smoothed out. Then I'm going to just pull this up and kind of twist it over like that. Okay, just a little bit of a twist. Then I'm going to catch hair on both sides of that twist, come over here and just slip that pin through. Then I kind of pull these out. I can even pull a little bit of a curl. That's probably a big one. If that was a smaller curl, that would have worked better probably. Fluff out that, but just a real simple twist. Now for a Flexi, I wear a size small for my ponytail. For this style, I use a medium. I can use a small, but it's going to be a little bit small. In fact, I'm going to finish with the small. I'm going to make it work because it's the only one I have in the Mountaineer Gold, and it is game day. But that's with the Flexi. The other way I like to do it is with our leather 8s. Now our leather 8s have stitching on one side, smooth on the other. It's kind of like a Coach leather, really smooth. So I'm a new fan of pink recently, so I've been stocking up on pink. But we have different options with our hair sticks. I'm going to use this one because it's more kind of a bolder look and it can be seen more easily in the curly hair. So same thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that into a ponytail. I'm just going to take my thumb over here and I'm just going to twist that up like so. Now I like the stitching out, so that's what I'm going to put out. I just catch the stick on one loop, go underneath, and I'm going to come up on the other side with the leather. You can see that, and then I'm going to twist this. I'm going to try again to pull just a little bit of hair out. I keep getting lots of hair, but you can mess it up as much as you like, but I kind of fluff out those curls and they kind of curl up, but you can still see the stick. Make sure it's in there. So just a really comfortable, super quick, super fast way, but it looks really nice with and you can do any color combo with the leathers and the sticks. Oh, I see Nancy. Hi, Nancy. So just a fun, easy style. Now I'm going to show it to you with our new clips. We now have sports clips, and this is the football, and I got it in gold for my Mountaineers and my Steelers, so I'll just have to wear black shirts and blue shirts to coordinate. But this is a small, and it's the only size I have. Like I said, I would normally do a medium, but I'm going to try and squeeze it in the small. I tried it earlier, and I think it would work, but since my hair's drying a little bit, we'll see. All right, I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to hopefully, it turns out, I will leave it in for the day. Okay, so twist. Now I'm going to try and find that small, since this is a smaller clip, I'm going to try and feel for a smaller part of where that flexes over. Yeah, it's going to be tight, but we can do it. Still comfortable, even though that's a tighter fit. Actually, tighter actually can be better at times. I'm just going to fluff that out. That's with the curls. See that the gold shows. Sometimes I might redo it if the gold doesn't show enough. I might redo it because I kind of put it down lower so more curls would fall over it just to make it fit. So anyway, that's just an easy twist I just wanted to share with you today. I hope you have a great day and voting and rooting for your team. If you're a Mountaineer fan, go Ears. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oops.